Hello, we're going to show how to make a microphone work in Godot. We'll create a new project. You can name it anything. And we will, for this purpose, make a 2D scene. We'll need to add a few nodes, namely an AudioStreamPlayer. And we're going to go ahead and set this up by giving it a microphone. We'll set it to Autoplay. And then we'll come back to this in just a bit. Next, we're going to create a progress bar. So that way we can see the output of our microphone. And then we will attach a script. We're going to go to ProjectSettings. We want to go to Audio, Driver, EnableInput, and save and restart. This will enable the microphone in your project. Now we can go to the Audio tab down here at the bottom, and we're going to add 2 buses. This will be the trapped output, and this will be the recording bus. And we'll add a record effect or a capture effect to this bus. Now we need to save this. If we don't save it, it won't work. We'll save it to the default. Now, in our audio player, we'll also set our bus to be the recording bus. Something we'll need to do is to set our recording bus's output to go to the trapped output. Otherwise, you'll be able to hear the microphone playing during the game, and then we'll mute the output. And now we can start coding. We'll drag in our progress bar so we can reference it later. And then we need to find the bus that we're going to record from. This will be through the audio server get bus index. And instead of the name being that, we're going to do recording bus, like that. And then we'll declare our variable first. Now we can go about trying to get the loudness data from the microphone. And we'll do that by using the audio server get bus peak volume, and we'll arbitrarily pick the left decibel meter. Microphones tend to default to this one, and we'll save this to a variable. And now what we'll do is we can map this to a linear value using dB to linear. And then we'll go ahead and also map this value to the size of our progress bar, because dB to linear will output from 0 to 1. Now all we have to do is to set our progress bar's value, and now we should be able to test our project. We'll select, and now you can see that our microphone is sending data to our project.